What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC. Today I am super excited. If you can't already tell in my voice, guys, we're going to be unboxing some Spyderco knives today, and I'm just super stoked. I hope you guys are ready. You could probably tell by the title and thumbnail, guys, this is going to be the Paramilitary 2, Spyderco PM2. I'm super excited to add some Spyderco knives to my arsenal. Let me go ahead and open it up with Spyderco's. You got the black and red gold Spyder logo right there, box all around, right? Some marketing information all throughout. I'm excited for these because these are made in Golden, Colorado, USA. So let's take a look right out of the box here. Put this over to the side and frame. Boom, here's the knife itself. We're gonna take a look at that in just a second. Also in the box you have a nice Spyderco sticker right there, so we'll put that in frame somewhere. You guys can see it. There is some Spyderco product information and warranty guide, so that's very nice. And yeah, even a nice little foam, guys. Listen to this, right? They go the extra mile to put some foam on the bottom of the box. I mean, that Spyderco has to be nice and, you know, comfy in there. Let's go ahead and put that over to the side there. Let's take a look at this bad boy, all right? Super excited to have some Spyderco in my lineup. I've been eyeing these for so long, you guys, you have no idea. And I'm so excited that I finally was able to add some to my arsenal. So PM2, what are we looking at? We have a G10 handle, right? And we have the signature Spyderco circle, right? For the opening right there. Oops, first opening fail. Boom, look at that. That is nice. It also has the compression lock in the back, so similar to a liner lock, except it's happening right here in the back. So the second I push this, the blade drops, right? So very nice. You can do a spider flick. Let me try that. Hopefully I don't fail. Oh, that is so good. Hopefully I don't fail. Bruh. Let's hear that again. Oh, that is so solid. That is so solid. Oh, hear that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, I could do this all day, right? You could also open it with the compression lock. Of course, mine hasn't been broken in. It's barely out of the box. Right, thumb opening right there as well. All right. So on the blade, we're looking at CPM. Try to focus right there. There you go. CPM S45VN for the steel, right? Has Spyderco and the logo on one side. Over on the other side, we have Golden, Colorado, USA Earth, right? So in case this lands in, you know, Mars someday, aliens would know that this knife was made on planet Earth. Nice clip right here in the back with the logo as well. Got some signatures in the blade also, right? And it has that design, right? It looks like a dead bird type of, you know, at first, I'll tell you guys, I was not into Spyderco knives at all. That's a whole different story I'm gonna get into during the review. You know, later on when I carry this knife for about a week or two, I do plan on doing a review, so make sure to stick around, subscribe for that if you want to check that out. But yeah, Spyderco is one of those companies that, or knife styles that I was like, yeah, definitely not gonna, you know, definitely didn't like them from the get-go at all. But you know, as you get deeper and deeper into the knife and EDC rabbit hole, you're like, listen, let me give them a try, right? Let me definitely give them a try and see what they are all about. And boy, am I happy that I got me some Spyderco right here. We got other Spyderco there for comparison, but let's take a quick look at the Amazon posting here that I got it from. By the way, links for these knives here on the table will be in the description. This guy came in at around $172, I want to say, right? Plus tax, all right? And the posting is a little bit tricky because the picture looks serrated, but if you read the actual title, it says plain edge. So I read some reviews, and yes, you do get the plain edge, just like the one that I have. And so don't go by what's on the picture. Again, around 172 plus tax. Price tag on this guy. So if you are thinking of getting one, please use the affiliate links in the description below. They do help out the channel, but that is totally up to you. Back with this guy, right? Let's do some quick size comparisons. Actually, while it's closed, and that was a horrible fail right there. Look at that. when you try to spider flick it and it doesn't go through all the way. Newbie, Spyderco newbie mistakes, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna get really good at this. I'm probably gonna carry this thing in my pocket for a good solid 2 weeks non-stop. I can tell you that right now. So out of the box, what do we got right here compared to, right, this is the Para 3, right? So this is a smaller brother to the Paramilitary 2. The Para 3, right? It's a little bit smaller on the handle, a little bit smaller blade. And you're probably wondering, what is that thing over there in the corner? This is the Spyderco Schmuck, right? The Spyderco Smock right here. Also for comparison, I'm going to be opening them in just a second. By the way, there are unboxings for these two knives in the channel as well. Make sure to check them out. I'll leave some cards up there for you to see them. Again, the Para 3 and the Smock, right? Let's open them up. Let's see what we're dealing with. These are a little bit on the bigger side, so I want to see if I can hopefully hold them all in my hand at the same time. All right, let's see, is that possible? Let me see. Okay, Para 2, Para 3, and Smock. Boom, look at that, guys, all Spyderco. I'm so excited to have these three in my Spyderco collection. You guys have no idea. Look at that. Very nice. Of course, the Para 3 is gonna be smaller than the PM2. Right, the Smock, I mean, that's just a whole different beast on a category of its own. But yeah, so we're trying to give you some size comparisons, keeping it in the Spyderco family, since they happen to have those other models as well. So let's go ahead and close them out of the way here and wrap things up. You guys already know the drill. Again, links in the description for these if you want to check them out. I'll be carrying this guy for about 2 weeks, gathering some good feedback in regards to, you know, what the daily carry experience is like, doing daily tasks and things like that. And yeah, come back and give you guys as much of a comprehensive review as I can. So if you're looking forward to that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, right? Any feedback or anything specific you would like to see during the review, let me know in the comments, right? I have had some people share some feedback in prior videos where they say, hey, make sure to touch on this topic or make sure to touch on that topic. So if there's anything specific on the review video you'd like to see, right, let me know. So let's do a quick summary, right? So again, G10 scales, right? The pocket clip is not deep pocket carry at all. So about this much of the knife right here is going to be showing, so keep that in mind, right? About that much. You can reverse it, right? You can put it on over to the other side. I want to say I did get a clip, right? I did get a clip that makes this and any of the other Spyderco's deep pocket carry. I'll drop a link for this guy in the description as well. I'm excited to put that on, and also I'll be showing it off during the review also, so keep that in mind. So G10 scales, compression lock. So the compression lock, right, is right back here. It works like a liner lock, except it's with your index finger. And they do make a left-handed version of this knife. So you probably wonder, what if I'm lefty, I'm using my thumb? Well, no, there's a left-handed version of all of these Spyderco knives as well. Just got to, you know, look them up. And as far as steel goes, again, we're looking at a satin CPM S45 VN, right? With all the goodies. Got some jimping right here, right, by the Spyderco circle there. You could also forward choil if you wanted to, right there. And again, this is a little bit of a bigger knife, right? So keep that in mind. This will be considered like a medium to large knife, so keep that in mind for your local laws. But yeah, other than that, I mean, it is a very, very solid knife right out of the box. I'm so excited. You could tell the quality is there, right? You could tell that what the hype is all about, and I haven't even carried it yet. Check out the tip right there. That tip is very, very center, right out of the box. I know for sure Spyderco takes their quality into you know, pretty high standards, their quality check department. So I am so excited to put these knives to good use. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos? Right, those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is, but I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you could do it both-handed. How about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You could fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.